Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and go to your name to disable Find My iPhone. This prevents activation lock later. If you can, sign out of your Apple ID so the device won't ask for credentials after the reset. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged into power. An interrupted reset can brick the device. Once done, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase All Content and Settings to begin wiping the device clean. Now you'll confirm and run the erase. After selecting Erase All Content and Settings, enter your device passcode to authorize the wipe. This proves you own the phone. The phone will show progress bars and restart several times. Do not disconnect power or interrupt the process, as that can leave the system unstable. If Apple ID credentials are requested to disable activation lock, enter them. Without this step, the phone may be unusable for the next owner once the erase completes. Finish by following on-screen setup prompts if you want to use the device immediately or power it off to hand to someone else. If the phone asks for the previous Apple ID during activation, make sure you signed out earlier. If not, attempt account recovery at iForget. Apple. COM or re-sign out on the original device. If the reset stalls or the phone is stuck on the Apple logo, connect to a computer, enter recovery mode, and use Finder or iTunes to reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.